Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're good. As you all know, it's a good Amy. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know what to do. Go click on the notification button so you can be able to get my updates. Okay, so like, comment, share. Thank you so much, guys, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know what to do. So yes, let's talk about what a woman wants from a man she's attracted to. What is expected of you as a man? Because most men flop because they have no clue of what to do. They just have no idea how to go about the things they do, the things they want to do, how to get this lady. See, the beautiful thing with ladies is that we are full of strength and energy. We help to build, yes, but there are things we'll never teach you. There are positions we don't want to find ourselves because we feel we can't nurse a child and then we'll still be nursing you as a man that is supposed to love us. That's just we in our head, okay? So we just feel these things. I expect you to know this, know what to do this thing, up your game, give me the vibe that I want. That is us. So yes, you have to find your place. So most time, not like men don't put in a lot of effort. They put in a lot of effort, just that at the end of the day it crashes to the ground because they have no idea what they are dealing with. We are stupid. Some men feel it's all about the money for the ladies. No, but there are things that comes first for a lady. So like talking about hygiene. Yes, hygiene comes. See, the truth is you can't be looking good from head to toe and then I'm looking at your shoes, they are not giving me a good vibe. Do you understand? Because if one is faulty, every other part of you becomes faulty. People stop seeing the good side of you, they start categorizing everything as faulty. That is it. So you know what to do. So talking about hygiene, let's talk about cosmetic white. Being cosmetic wise, it is very important because no lady wants to stay with a man that has funny smell. You understand? We know you are a clean man. We know you are neat, you keep it neat, but there's need for deodorant. Please up your game. Self-care, skincare, it is important. Okay, it is important because you want to smell good. You can't like really come back from a very stressful day, probably hectic challenges here and there, full of ups and downs, and then you come close to your man and he's smelling like crayfish. It's crazy. Come to his armpit, he's giving you this village vibe. It doesn't make sense because even with your smell you can feel like we're in heaven. It calms your nerve at that point. So there's need for you to up your game. Make sure that your skin gets what is required. Take care of your health. Hygiene is everything. Take care of you, be you, but take care of yourself. Okay, then after that we'll talk about dominance. Dominance, I'm not talking about being over controlling, no, because when we talk about dominance a lot of things pops up in our head. When we talk about dominance, I'm talking about being able to take control, like at a situation where things are going off hand and then you the guy, you come in and the lady is like, okay, with my babe here I know that this situation will be handled. And you just have a way you come in and then you bring peace, you bring calm. Everybody tends to relax, everybody tends to be more comfortable, and she's like, okay, my man is here, that means I have nothing to worry about. Yes, that was what we're talking about, knowing what to do at a given time, knowing when to take over, knowing when to take charge, knowing when to tell her it's okay, and knowing when to tell her don't worry about it, I'm gonna handle it. I hear you, please just calm down. That is dominance. Up your game, okay? And the next we're gonna talk about, let's talk about being spontaneous. We want fun and exciting people around us. Ladies like fun. Ladies like excitement. Ladies like being surprised. Lavish lifestyle. Yes, that's what we want. Even if you don't have much, the little you have, just do what you're supposed to do from your level. Don't do too much, but from your level, show what you can do. Show that yes, you're exciting. Be spontaneous. Be exciting. Be fun. That is it. Be enthusiastic about life. That's what we want to see. Be enthusiastic about life. It is very important. Okay, and the next I'm going to talk about is understanding. we expect you to be understanding, understand things, understand the what is going on, just being able to know how to handle this thing and feel like, okay, don't worry about this, be understanding, even outside your relationship with her, with the way you relate with other people too, people around you, your loved ones, because she's seeing all those things. There's a way you're going to talk to a fellow lady like her and she's like, okay, this guy is being extremely rude right now. This is us, because we believe in ministry of women, protecting women, so yes, there's need for you to be understanding. Yes, and again, be positive, be optimistic about the day, be optimistic about what you have, the things you have, the life you have, the whole relationship you have ahead, and you have still have with her. Be positive, don't be gloomy, because that's it. No lady wants to go out with a guy that his face is looking like he ate uncooked rice or something. He's struggling from one thing or the other. Don't be that kind of person. Be fun, be flexible, and learn to relax. Being able to know how to handle a particular situation, how to absorb information, taking information, process it, and then you still look calm. You can still look calm and process things, handle it in a very good way. You're very relaxed. That's what ladies want to see. We want to see an energetic guy. We want to see a guy that knows how to take charge, take your place, being able to handle things comfortably. Then I'm still going to talk about money. The aspect of money, everybody wants a good life, everybody wants a better tomorrow, everybody wants to, basically, when you think of in the next 5 years with this person, how is it going to be like? Is it going to be promising? Is it going to be something you look so forward to? You can't wait to get there, because you know this guy is capable enough to do the things he's supposed to do. We want a comfortable life. We want a good life. We want to be in a place we know that we have what we need for this life. We have what it needs to take care of the kids. We have what it needs to even run your own life as a couple, as someone you're in a relationship with. So you see, yes, money is still necessary, still important. So these things cannot be overemphasized. So with this, I know we're going places. I know. So take charge of your word, take care, do those things, and then you see us popping here and there just for you. You know what to do. So thank you so much, guys, for being here. I love you guys.